Welcome back to Aura Luxury Motors, where today we are stepping into a realm of opulence that transcends the traditional boundaries of automotive design. We're looking at the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just raise the bar for luxury travel, it completely reinvents it. If you ever wondered what it would look like if a five-star presidential suite was merged with the engineering prowess of the world's most prestigious car manufacturer, this is your answer. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer presence of this machine. It carries the unmistakable Maybach design language, featuring that massive, chrome-intensive vertical strut grille that has become a hallmark of the brand. The 2026 model introduces a breathtaking two-tone paint finish, traditionally Obsidian Black over Kalahari Gold, which flows seamlessly across its aerodynamic silhouette. The lighting signature is equally impressive, utilizing digital light technology with millions of micro mirrors that can project warning symbols onto the road ahead. It sits on massive 24-inch forged monoblock wheels that look like pieces of high-end jewelry, while the body panels are crafted from a mix of high-strength steel and carbon fiber to maintain rigidity without unnecessary weight. Every line serves a purpose, from the hidden door handles that pop out as you approach to the active aero shutters that optimize cooling and range. As we move to the interior, you quickly realize that the term motorhome is almost an understatement. Stepping inside is like entering a private jet. The cabin is draped in Manufaktur Nappa leather, featuring the iconic diamond stitching that Maybach is famous for. The layout is divided into a cockpit, a grand lounge, a gourmet kitchenette, and a master suite. In the lounge, you'll find executive reclining seats that offer calf rests, heated neck pillows, and a hot stone massage function. Overhead, the panoramic glass roof features Mercedes' Magic Sky control, allowing you to change the transparency of the glass at the touch of a button. For entertainment, there's a 65-inch retractable 4K OLED Cinema Wall, paired with a 4D Burmester high-end surround
sound system that uses 42 speakers and exciters in the seats to make you feel every note. The kitchen is equally sophisticated, featuring hidden induction hobs, a designer espresso station, and a refrigerated compartment specifically shaped to hold silver champagne flutes. The bedroom is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a king-size mattress with independent climate zones and air purification systems that use HEPA filters to ensure the air inside is cleaner than the air outside. The bathroom doesn't compromise either, boasting a walk-in rainfall shower with marble-effect porcelain surfaces and gold-plated fixtures. Every function of the home, from the ambient lighting with 64 colors to the room temperature and fragrance atomization, is controlled through the latest MBUX hyperscreen in the front or via individual tablets in the rear. Under the hood, the performance is as refined as the interior. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome is powered by a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system that pairs a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with a high-output electric motor. This setup delivers a combined 600 horsepower and an immense amount of torque, ensuring that even with its substantial size, the vehicle glides effortlessly onto highways. The transition between electric and petrol power is virtually imperceptible. One of the standout features is the e-active body control suspension. This system uses cameras to scan the road surface ahead and adjusts each individual wheel's damping in milliseconds to compensate for bumps or dips. The result is a ride quality often described as a magic carpet ride, where the cabin remains perfectly level even on winding mountain passes. Furthermore, with 10-degree rear axle steering, this massive vehicle has the turning circle of a standard luxury sedan, making it surprisingly manageable in tighter spots. Finally, we have to talk about the price. Owning a rolling palace of this caliber is an exclusive privilege. the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at an estimated $2.5 million, with highly customized Edition 1 or Grand Residence trims, easily pushing that figure toward $3.2 million, depending on the bespoke materials chosen. It is a staggering investment, but for those who view travel as an extension of their lifestyle rather than a chore, there is simply no competition. It offers total autonomy, unmatched prestige, and the peace of mind that comes with the Mercedes-Benz three-pointed star. Would you like me to create a comparison table between this Maybach model and other ultra-luxury motorhomes like the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo?